Good day, esteemed Rotarians. As the chairman of the Rotary Inter-Country Committee Philippines, I want to reflect on a phrase that encapsulates our shared mission and global spirit. The sun never sets in Rotary. This message resonates deeply within the context of the Rotary Inter-Country Committee, highlighting our commitment to international collaboration and friendship. The Inter-Country Committee serves as a bridge between clubs across borders, allowing us to share ideas, resources, and support. With Rotarians working in over 200 countries, the sun truly never sets on our activities. Whether in community service projects, cultural exchanges, or humanitarian efforts, our collective impact knows no geographical limits. This international collaboration amplifies our efforts, ensuring that our work is felt worldwide. The true beauty of our inter-country committees lies in the relationships we build. By connecting with fellow Rotarians from different cultures, we gain a deeper understanding of global challenges and diverse perspectives. These connections foster friendships and goodwill, reinforcing our commitment to peace and service. As we learn from one another, we become stronger and more effective in our endeavors, proving that our unity transcends borders. As we reflect on our legacy, let's remember that our reach extends far beyond local communities. Through the Inter-Country Committee, we can initiate projects that address pressing issues, share best practices, and inspire future generations of Rotarians. The sun never sets on our mission to create a better world, and our dedication to service continues to shine brightly, illuminating paths of hope and change. Lastly, let us embrace the message that the sun never sets in Rotary, especially through the lens of the Inter-Country Committee. Together, we can harness a global network, strengthen bonds, and make a lasting impact on communities around the world. Thank you for your unwavering commitment and passion. Together, we ensure that the light of Rotary shines brightly no matter where we are. Always remember, the magic of Rotary really lies in unity. And in unity, there is strength. In unity, there is hope. And in unity, we do it for good. Thank you very much, and mabuhay.